Hey guys, aka 88 on cars. Okay, so today we're going to do a 60-second review plus 10 facts for Wössner Forged Pistons for the Z20 engine. Wossner is a German manufacturer founded in the 1970s. They first started making forged pistons in the early 1990s. For Vauxhall Z20 LET and ZLEH engines, Wossner pistons and rods are one of the most popular choices. The pistons themselves are made from 4032 aluminium alloy. This has a slightly higher silicon content, which reduces thermal expansion in comparison to others. One of the things that Wossner really focuses on is tighter thermal tolerances, especially for cold-related starts. One of these special things is the PTFE skirt coating on the pistons. This effectively is a Teflon coating which reduces friction coefficient and minimises scuffing, especially during cold starts. For compression ratio, Wossner offers a variety of different compression ratios, from 8.5:1 to 9:01 for Z20 built engines.
For 10 interesting things in less than 60 seconds. Guys, I hope you like this quick fire video. I made it because I couldn't find a lot of other reviews and detailed looks at this particular product. If you want to see what else is going on my car along with this, please check out the link above. And if you like the content, a subscribe is always appreciated. Catch you on the flip side.